Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have an Hermes double unboxing. Now, one of these items is on my wish list for 2023, so I'm excited to share both these items with you guys. And I'll also give you guys a little bit of an Hermes update. So this past Friday, I had the day off. I decided to go downtown. First, I kicked it off with lunch. I went to the Waldorf Astoria. That's where Steven and I got married. I like to head out there anytime I'm in the area. Just a lot of fun memories, and the food is delicious. It's just a really nice, relaxing time. After that, I decided to head over to my Hermes appointment and visit my essay. So last time I went to go see my essay was right before the holiday. Well, during this visit, I was interested to see if she received anything in terms of like leather goods. When I saw my essay, she did go to the back room just to see what kind of leather goods they had. She said she didn't have anything for me this time, but she's going to keep an eye out for that mini Evelyn that she knows is on my wish list. Thanks again for mentioning some of the categories to look out for. I decided to check out jewelry this time, since last time I looked at shoes and I purchased those great black sneakers. Well, I did find a couple items, so let's get into that. Okay guys, well that is it for today's video. What did you think of my latest pieces? Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Take care.